This is what being a bouncer taught me about women. Number 1 is that women cheat more than men. You see, the reason women cheat more than men is because women have way more options than men. As soon as she pulls up to the venue, to the nightclub, or to the bar, she's going to have at least 3 guys approaching her that same night. So, women have way more options than men, and we know that women are hypergamous, which means that women cannot resist the better option. I'm not saying she's going to cheat 10 out of 10 times, but what I am saying is that if the guy who approaches her is a better option than her boyfriend, whether he's just overall better, chances are she's gonna give that dude her number. She's going to entertain him, keep him as an option so she can monkey branch. She'll keep him in a DM, on a text, or she'll give out that number because he's a better option. Sometimes, they'll even involve with him that same night if she's loose with it. Bottom line, women cheat more than men because they have way more options. A guy can go out to their nightclub or bar and not get a single approach. But women, all they have to do is just step outside, and they'll have way more options. Since women cannot resist a better option, it's only a matter of time before she sleeps with that dude or gives him her number. She might start off saying, "No, I have a boyfriend," but if the guy is slick enough, it'll just take him a few more sentences to get the number. If he's the better option, she's going to keep him around, 100%. I remember all the times I saw women pulling up with their boyfriends or dates to the nightclub, and as soon as the guy went to the bathroom, I'd see the woman slip her number to another guy, ask for a number, or even start making out with someone else. I used to think, how is this even possible? But the truth is, women just cannot resist a better option. If they see one and it's available, they are going to take it or keep it around, 100%. Number 2, women use men for their resources and then sleep with the guys they actually want to. I would see this all the time at the clubs. Women would drink the liquor, take the drinks, go to the VIP sections, and most times, 8 times out of 10, they would never leave with the guy who bought the drinks. They might give him their number, but then they'd be eyeing the other guy on the dance floor who doesn't care about offering them drinks. He doesn't buy them anything, but he's got that masculine energy, takes care of himself, dresses well, and is fit and muscular. Women would be drinking the guy's liquor while looking around to see who they really liked. They would use men for their resources and then sleep with the guy they actually wanted to. That's why I don't believe in leading with your wallet. We've heard this before, Kevin Samuels even said it, if you lead with your wallet, you're going to get used and abused, my man. You'll attract a girl for the wrong reasons. She's going to use you for your resources and then sleep with Chad or Tyrone on the side. I saw this time and time again, and it's why I tell guys not to buy girls drinks. It lowers your status, lowers your value, and she'll drink your stuff while talking to another guy who doesn't lower his value. Women will use you for your resources and won't care. They'll use you for a date, for a bottle, for drinks, and you won't get anything in return. I've seen the faces of those guys at the end of the night. They were pissed, mad because they spent $300 on a bottle and didn't even get any action. You should have known better. You were the beater male provider. Never be the beater male provider. If she's going to be with you, make sure it's not for your money. Number 3, women don't like nice guys. This goes perfectly with point number 2. Women say they want a gentleman, a nice, respectful guy who opens doors and buys drinks, but that doesn't get you anywhere. Women walk all over that guy. If you're nice and offer her drinks, she's going to drink your liquor and turn around to make out with the guy who didn't get her anything. Women don't like nice guys. They like men who take initiative. If you're on a date with a woman and just being nice and friendly, you're not going to get anywhere. Women want men who take charge. I remember plenty of times when I'd be at the club, and I wouldn't even approach a woman until I saw choosing signals, whether she's looking at me, smiling, or standing nearby. Once, I was chilling with my friend, and 2 women were following us around. My friend told me, just grab her by the hair. And I did. I walked up behind her while she was dancing, gently pulled her hair, and she turned around as if she had been waiting for it. Now, I'm not saying you should do this. Some might say that's too aggressive, but it worked because I read her signals and took the initiative. A nice guy in that situation wouldn't have done anything, and the opportunity would have passed. Women don't want someone who's just nice, they want someone confident, even cocky, who takes risks. Women don't want a dry, vanilla approach. Hi, what's your name? Dry as the Sahara Desert. But if you're confident, reading her signals, and acting accordingly, you're in. I've seen this time and again, women like guys who are a bit savage, cocky, confident. They don't want nice guys, they want men who are decisive and sure of themselves. Number 4, women are attracted to the same type of guy. One of the biggest things I noticed is that women all seem to go for the same type of man. It didn't matter if they had a boyfriend or were with a date, when a certain type of guy walked in, they couldn't resist. The formula was simple, a guy who's fit, well-dressed, and has a fresh haircut. I saw this all the time. A guy who had those 3 things could walk into the club and turn heads left and right. Women would melt over a guy with those 3 qualities. You didn't need to have a ton of game or money if you were fit, had a sharp outfit, and a clean cut. If you had all 3, it was almost automatic. Of course, if you were missing one, you could make up for it with game. But that combination was powerful. It's like a dark triad of attraction, fit body, fresh haircut, and a stylish outfit. That's what got women's attention. In conclusion, being a bouncer taught me a lot about women and the dating scene. Women cheat more than men because they have more options. They use men for their resources but sleep with the guys they really want. Nice guys finish last because women want confidence and risk takers. And most women are attracted to the same type of man. I didn't make these rules, I just observed them. Now I want to ask you to leave a comment with your opinion on this topic, and I suggest you watch the playlist I left for you in the description with more videos like this one, where I talk about a wide variety of topics, ranging from dating, ways and different points of living life, psychology and general advice. So if you found that helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for way more content. We're in here to discuss and hopefully elevate every area of our life, so if you took something out, subscribe to the channel. And before leaving, if you made it this far means you are a real one, so I want to hear your opinion on the background gameplay. You can suggest any changes you would like seeing, like in specific car or track, or even a different game, preferably a racing one because is what I enjoy most, but you are free to ask for whatever you like. You can also become a channel member to get extra benefits and even appear on videos playing with me. Thanks for listening and enjoy your day.